Hey, today I want to talk about hiking sticks. Um, there's some really cool ones out there. There's some that are they're carved really great. Some of them are totally natural that have all the knots and stuff still on them with varnish and leather handles or wrapped handles, carving on the top. Really, really great. Um, Today I'm thinking about more just for utility. My favorite is bamboo. I really like a bamboo walking stick. They're light, they're tough, and I've been using a bamboo walking stick really for a long, long time. And then I've also got a little bit of a twist on it that I'll show you. But first of all, just to get the bamboo, the garden centers this time of year will usually have bamboo that they use for stakes, for holding up plants or whatever. A lot of them are real small, but if you look around, you can get some that are a little bit bigger. This one is a pretty decent size. It's probably 3/4 to an inch around, and that's pretty good. It's still nice and strong. I've got another one here that's I'm on the lookout usually for nice ones that don't have too many splits in them, and they're good for my grandkids as well, or for kids who are going to make stuff for kids. So these are both really nice. Now on the top, I cut them off where there's still a hole at the top, but on the bottom, I'll cut them off at the joint, below the joint. They're thick, and you don't have to I kind of rounded it off a little bit so it wouldn't want to tend to split out, but you don't have to put any protection on the bottom of that. That'll hold just fine. So that's kind of my choice for a walking stick. Now, the great thing about bamboo is you can do something really pretty neat with it. This is a Slingshot, and I've carved it down. This one's a little bit small, more for a kid, but carve that handle down, it'll fit right inside there. Now I went the route of trying to get a natural branch that has a fork in it so that you can use it for a slingshot, and it works. But it's awkward when you have that whole 4 feet of branch sticking out there while you're trying to shoot. It's not that you can't do it, but it just got me to thinking, and because I always have my slingshot with me, and it's usually stuffed in my back pocket. But I thought, man, with bamboo, that would work. So that's what I did. And so this is my walking stick, and of course I've added several things to it. It kind of morphed over the years. It started out just with the bamboo, and I knew I wanted a handle, and so I wrapped a leather handle on there, and it's getting pretty nicely worn. And then as time went along, I decided I needed to have this little pouch on here, and it just has some matches in it, and then I'm always wrapping paracord on something, and so I wrapped it around here. But getting this slingshot in here was really great, and it fits good. And this little bit of a loop that's on the paracord, I can just tuck that in there, and so that it doesn't want to jump up out of there. Now, the really, really good thing about this, using bamboo, especially if you get the right size, if you can get a size that'll hold whatever your ammo is going to be. And they make some ammo that's not really all that big. I like to use marbles. They're cheap and they fly straight. And so this will hold, I don't remember how many I have in my pocket, but it'll hold 8 marbles. And you can stick the marbles in there, put the slingshot back on, and then stuff it in there, and everything's nice. I mean, you can hear it rattle a little bit, but it's great. Have it with you. Where I hike around, there's not a lot of really great rocks to shoot, So I've always got something with me that I can, without taking too long, I can get this slingshot out of here and yard the marbles out and then be shooting. So anyway, that's kind of what I wanted to show you. I really appreciate you watching. We'll take it out and do a little demo, and thanks for watching.